Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir closed up, this is very nice, closed up 31 cents, 1.18% at 26.51. Post-market, we are down 3 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we made a higher low. That's good. We made a higher high. And look at this higher high. It's almost perfectly flush with the resistance, the upper resistance channel that we have. This is confirming to me that this channel is really good because we are following it here. So we have one touch here on, what is the date? On August 12th. We have another simile touch, August 18th, a nice frank touch, August 30th, and now another touch today. So we are really scraping the resistance going up. So I like seeing this. This is a sign of power. We are not flattening out. We are still going up. We are making higher lows and higher highs. So quite strong, this little Palantir stock. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, quite strong indeed. Look at this. This is the 9:30 candle. So we were right smack on the support right here with this wick. And look at this big green candle, super strong. And it just sat, the body of the candle sat right smack on the upper part of this channel. It's hard to make this up. It's really hard to make this up. Yeah, I'm always amazed. And the second candle also touching resistance, third candle, fourth candle, and then the fifth candle. Can it be more perfect? The fifth candle is right smack on the support. And the sixth candle also, and the seventh candle also. This is a perfect technical day. The stock is really bouncing exactly on the support and resistance. Let's just look at the indicators to have a sense of the strength here on the hour chart. So stochastic 67, not too bad. So still quite strong, DMI and also RSI believe that too. Let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, MACD great, stochastic 92, everything is super great. Everything is still super great. From an indicator perspective, we don't have anything wrong that is showing at all. And right now, the stock is really hugging this resistance. It could do that for a long time. It could do that for a long time. If not, there is this support that is going to be broken eventually, maybe. And we also have this 2574. So 2574 as a support is here, is still in play. We confirmed it right here on the August 31st candle. So 2574 is still a support. You can take some profit now if you want. You can just wait to see what the stock does. The stock, if the stock is strong enough, it's going to stay above 2574 for a while and then maybe start continuing, because as I have mentioned in the past, we have this as a goal. We have this as a goal, and if I just cheat a little bit and show you what I show my YouTube members when I do the video on the weekend, we are looking at the weekly chart, and look at this weekly chart, how strong this is. MACD just crossed over. Look at stochastic on the weekly charts. This is a sneak peek. This is a freebie sneak peek. If you want to learn more, you need to join me for $5 a month, where we will do that for Palantir and for Tesla. And also we are going to do the monthly chart because we just crossed the end of the month. But super strong Palantir, and the best case scenario for a stock is that when you invest using a specific time frame, like myself, I tend to use the daily time frame. If everything looks good on the daily time frame, it's nice. You can do a nice swing. You can buy low and sell high. But if also at the same time everything is looking good on the weekly chart, you have a double whammy. So the chances are that the move that you are going to get on the daily chart, because this is what you are looking every day, might be a lot bigger. So this is really telling me that it's very possible that our $31 target is really achievable. Let's hope that this target materializes. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. Join me as a member, and I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.